Let's learn about smoke alarms. Smoke alarms should be in your home because they reduce your chance of dying in a fire by 50%. It's important to remember that by the time you hear the smoke alarm, you have 2 minutes or less to get out of your home. So you want to make sure that you have an escape plan ready to go when you hear the smoke alarm. And let's talk about what smoke alarms to buy and where they should be. They should be in every bedroom in your home and also outside each bedroom and then on every level of your home. Also, when you're purchasing smoke alarms, you want to make sure that they fit for your family. You can buy ones that have batteries that get changed every year or lithium-ion batteries that last every 10 years. They also make smoke alarms that are multi-criteria that reduce the chances of having a false alarm in your kitchen or outside a steamy bathroom. Also, if anyone in your family is deaf or hard of hearing, you can look for smoke alarm devices such as bed shakers or strobe lights that will help get their attention if there's ever a fire. Most important thing to remember is to look for smoke alarms that are UL listed, and also you want to make sure that you're replacing them every 10 years. So pay attention to the expiration date on the back of the detector. For more information, check out this website.